Hey Ron, how's it going? Looks like I just wanted to get on the call. We have a little sweet spot alert here coming on, and I guess we didn't have a call this morning. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what we saw today?
Okay, well, looking at the S&P, we had a nice little sweet spot trade right in here. Those are the kind we like. Bars pull back to support. Actually, there was like double support here, which is nice. I like when I see the 3 minute and the 9 minute close to each other. That means you got a double wall of hidden support to stop the price from going lower. So as you can see, it kind of bounces off of it, and as you would call this is your super sweet spot here where this is the Jesse super sweet
We
spot
really like
where the
those.
prices where the prices come back down, and you got a 3 minute, 9 minute. Actually they're close to each other. It kind of bounces off of it, and the bar goes back to blue. So had a real nice setup right in that area right here, and went up a little bit, and well, it went up nicely, then kind of
Yeah,
pulled back a little. Then there was some news, but then it just came down so far so fast.
yeah.
There's just no way you could have gotten into this trade. I mean, even though both 3 minute and 9 minute did agree, I mean the prices were outside the bands, and it was just too far from resistance, and it was almost impossible to get into that trade.
Yeah. But that's why we're on the call now. The little X came up here. This is our sweet spot alert. When prices come, and we've got this set for within 3 points. So when price comes within 3 points, the little dots right there, it's going to give us a little alert. I turned off the alerts so that it won't just keep popping up while we're talking here. But if we see this bar turning red, it looks like it could be possibly a good trade setup.
Sure would. That would be a perfect short sell if this bar can just turn to red, because we've got the resistance above, and clearly there really was hidden resistance there,
Yeah.
because 3 or 4 times the prices went right to that area and did stop, which is the definition of resistance. They couldn't break higher, and the 9 minute already agrees with it. So if we can get a red bar here, that would be a definite sell signal coming up. So we're watching this one closely, and that would be a triple confirmation sell signal if the bar closes red.
Let's say, for example, if prices do want to continue a bit higher, currently we've got the guidance resistance here at the 21.26, which is actually about 5 or 6 points higher. So while the little dots are really close, that sets up for a very low risk opportunity for a short trade using the 3 minute chart. If prices do want to continue up, it's going to turn to blue, and if prices get up and into the resistance dots there, we're going to have our no trade zone. It's going to be blue bars, blue little dots, but big red dots. But if prices get up into 21, 26, we're going to be again at that sort of super sweet spot. So that could be another possibility that could set up.
Yeah, but we'll have to see.
Yeah.
Right now it's starting to turn blue, and
Ah,
that would mean a no trade zone, and that's okay also.
sure.
That's why this is the reason why we don't like to get in on the green bars, or we prefer to get in on the red bars,
Hmm.
because had we gotten in on the green bar, we would have lost. But by waiting for the red, we're waiting. Looks like right now we're just going to do nothing, and that's okay.
Looks like it's trading about a point shy of resistance. So two possibilities here. Since we didn't get the red bar to come in and give us a sell signal, we're going to be waiting for either this 21.26 level to actually show us that there is resistance there. If it holds and prices turn back to red, then we will go ahead and look for the short trade for the super sweet spot. And there's also the possibility that here prices come up into resistance, maybe even through it, and then pull back and come and test that 3 minute support. It would still be our no trade zone, but if we were to see the market kind of digest the break to the downside and reverse and go up again in the last hour and a half today, what we'd probably see is prices come in here to the high, put in a higher low near support, and then start again higher. And if the guidance resistance dots turn to support, then we might have actually a good buying opportunity. So we want to stay nimble.
Yeah, so right now we're just going to have to wait and see. We'll let the software tell us what to do, and we'll just kind of watching it and seeing what happens right now. We've got red and blue at the same time, and we know that's a no trade zone. But we're really looking for a red bar here. That would be a nice sell signal where everything would be lined up. for a low risk short trade.
Well, it
We'll
certainly
see.
feels good to be able to sit back now and at least for the next, what would you say, 10, 15, 20 minutes, we're probably going to be in no trade zone. If there's, if we need a little break, go run in and take care of anything that we need to do now.
There you go. Well, we'll just be patient and